Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Darwin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off near the top and let's draw 2 large circles for the eyes. And then let's add another small circle inside each one. And color both of these in black. Now on top of each eye, let's draw 2 curves for the eyelashes. Next, we're going to hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a curve on top of each eye. Then from the ends, let's curve it up and in. And another curve on top. Now let's color them both in black. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the mouth. Under the left eye, let's draw a large curve down and curve it back out. And the same thing on the right side. And then let's add a curve across in the center. Now that we're done the face, let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the right next to the eye and let's draw a curve up. Then let's continue it over to the left and bring it down. Now let's leave a gap and let's add a small curve down here. Now let's add the first arm. Let's draw a large curve down and back up. Then let's hop to the center and let's draw a curve up. And then let's curve it back in underneath. Now next to the gap on the left, let's draw a curve out and curve it down. And let's add 2 lines inside. Now let's hop back over to the right and let's draw a curve out for the cheek and curve it all the way in. Now underneath the head on the right here, let's draw the other arm by drawing a curve down and in. Then underneath, let's draw another smaller curve back up to the head. Now underneath in the center, let's draw the legs. Let's start next to the left arm and let's draw a line down. And then 2 more next to it like this. Now for the feet, let's bring it out and curve it in. Now let's hop back into the center line and let's bring it down and curve it out at the bottom. And then close off the bottom of each foot. Now let's hop inside and let's draw 2 lines across inside the legs here. And then an angle down and in on each foot. And then 2 ovals. And that's it for Darwin. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!